Just look at this right here. This just don't even look. Look at this policeman, bro. This don't even. He don't even look like he hold himself up to morals and he gonna go by the law and everything. He don't even look like that, bro. He don't even. He look like he'll let anything slide. Like as long as him and his family doing good. Like, bro, I don't trust him right here. He don't look like he should be having this big ass rifle with him, bro, around his chest like that. I do not trust him, bro. I don't. He look dangerous. He the police, but he look dangerous though. And he fat. He out of shape. His clothes don't fit him. I just don't like what I see. Then the background's all dirty. Oh my, bro. Oh my God, bro. I hate to live over there, bro. He's supposed to protect y'all. Him right here, man. Get right.
Just hold up in the airway right now. Hold up.
Bro, I would be scared of these police, bro. These police look like they the evil ones. They look like they from the slums and that they selling drugs. They look like that, to be honest. They don't look like.
Finds a suspect. There's no
bro, get the muzzle off his back, boy. You tripping?
Yet the police arrest him.
That's right.
Damn, what the It's crazy. I just said that, didn't I? I said these police look grimy as hell. He's here hitting the man, and he already handcuffed. And then the dummy got his muzzle on the man back on his glutes. He got the muzzle on this man's ass, boy. You don't know what, bro. Look, weapon safety, bro. Never point the weapon at nothing you don't intend to shoot. Why is the muzzle on this man's left ass cheek, bro? What's wrong with y'all, man? I don't like them. I don't like nothing, bro. I don't like nothing so far, to be honest, man. Bro, if you live over here, I'm sorry for you. I pray that you get out your situation, man. I pray that you come over here, man. Come over here and kick it with me, man. I pray you don't have to continue living with people like this on a daily because I feel so bad for you, bro. You don't understand. It's a way. It's more free out here, man. I could literally drive 10 hours and go to New York, Manhattan right now, bro. Right now. I feel so bad, bro.
There appears to be no basic rights.
And then he got his foot on the... And you can't really blame the criminal, man, because think, why is he robbing? Why is he stealing? He don't got no shoes on. He don't have shit. That's why he doing that, man. You can't really blame the criminal, man. They criminals for a reason, bro. Now, granted, it's some just knuckleheads out here that's hot heads. But for the most part, hey, people doing it for a reason, man. He got his foot on the back. This is too unnecessary, bro. And it's black on black. That's crazy.
For the suspect. The policeman holds him on
the
ground.
Get the muzzle away from the man, bro.
I was hiding inside.
They use a dog leash as handcuffs.
Oh my God damn.
They keep me questioning him and they'll show us the rest of the boys.
They ain't gonna question that man. They gonna torture that man. See what I'm saying? Where's the checks and balances, bro? Who is gonna look over these police and make sure they doing the right thing, bro? Nobody, bro. Nobody care about these people. Nobody's finna save these people. Look at how they living. You think they government or whoever, they care about them? No, they don't, man. They don't.
You still probably know all of them because they're a crew, so they're a gang, so you'll know where they live and where they're taking the money.
Like nobody
Even
is
in
going.
front of our cameras, the police don't hesitate to hit the suspect.
Oh my God, son.
Sometimes, in most cases, police officers in PNG used to shoot people. If he was continuously running, I would have shot his leg.
Face out!
Damn, that's
The police
bro.
want to take the suspect to the victims to see if they can identify him.
Look at the man's feet, bro.
To the
Messed up. Look at his
victims
hair.
to
Come
see
on,
if
man.
they can identify him.
Damn. Look at that pinky toe, bro.
But when they arrive at the grocery
Oh my
store,
God.
the manager is on guard. Attacks on businesses by corrupt police officers are common here.
Come on, bro.
Eventually, they persuade an employee to come out and see the suspect. A witness to the crime, his testimony is crucial. But there's a hitch.
Crazy thing is, this is a suspect, bro. This is a suspect, and they was treating this man like that. They was treating this man like that on camera. Imagine how they treat people when it's not on camera. And the fact that that policeman said he would have shot him in the leg, he's comfortable saying that on camera, that just tell you how evil they get over there. Imagine what they was doing. Imagine what they doing is not cameras around. They said they just shoot people. They said they shoot people for not complying with them. And he said that on camera. That's crazy. And this ain't even 100. He ain't even 100% like convicted as guilty. This is a suspect, bro. And it was treating him like that. He would have been shot in the leg for being a suspect, bro. The policeman would have shot this man in the leg right here for being assumed of doing something. Not even being guilty, but just being innocent. He could have been innocent. He would have shot him in the leg because he was running from him. Come on, bro.
Employee
Bogus.
certain the suspect is not
if
the
I
man
could-
who robbed the store.
Hey, man, I hate people like that, bro.
To be sure, the police asked to see the videos
I hate
of
people with power, bro. I really do, man. It's always some grimy ass
Evidence
stuff going on,
footage.
bro. It's a big ass knife, bro. It's definitely not him.
The video confirms the employee's testimony. The man is released. There's no apology or compensation. Just a bottle of water to rinse out his bloody mouth. As for the robbers, they're still at large.